Okay, next lesson. Now, when you are thirsty, okay, when you're feeling very thirsty, what do you all do?
Drink water.
Very good. Water, right?
Drink water,
You
ma'am.
drink water. Is water used only for drinking?
Wait.
For drinking? Mute everyone.
Bathing,
I'm going to
washing, GOT.
when so many of you all are unmuting yourselves, the class is becoming very noisy and I'm not able to understand what each one of you are telling. Okay. Aaron, Dion, can you unmute and tell me? Do you use water only for drinking?
Washing,
Very
bathing,
yes. You use water for washing,
cleaning,
cleaning, bathing, then?
ma'am.
Very good. Cooking. Right? So, water has many different uses. Okay, water is not only used only for these, water are used in so many different places. For example, in the farms, the farmers, they
Ma'am.
right? Plants also need water. Without water, will the plants be able to grow? They will not be able to grow. They will dry up very soon. Okay, that is why even plants also need water. Okay, and not only plants, even animals. Animals also feel thirsty, right? So when they feel thirsty, what do? They also drink water. Okay, now I'm going to share the screen. I want you all to see and tell me. Okay. Okay. One minute now.
Drinking, ma'am.
Yes, 1 minute.
Bathing, ma'am.
So what do you see here? Okay, can you see one boy? What is he doing?
Drinking water. Drinking water, ma'am.
Okay, this boy's name is Salim. Okay, Salim is thirsty. So because he's thirsty, what is he doing? He is drinking water. Okay. Can you see the next picture?
Crow story.
Yes, the crow.
Thirsty.
Very
Other.
good. It is
Thirsty.
thirsty crow. Yes. Mute. Okay, so many of you all are unmuting. Please do not unmute yourself. Okay. Okay, now you see a picture here where you see a crow flying, right? A crow is flying in the first picture. In the second picture, what is a crow doing? It has come near a pot. Okay, probably the crow is thirsty. So it is coming in search of water. Okay, and in the third picture, you see that the crow is picking up some pebbles, right? Why do you think it's picking up some pebbles? Probably the water in the pot is very less, right? If the pot has very less water, it will not be able to drink. So what is the crow doing? It is picking up pebbles and then it is putting it inside the pot. Yes, it is putting inside
Stone.
okay, it's putting the stones inside the pot. Why do you think the crow is doing that? Why do you think the crow is doing?
Water come.
Yes, good. Yes,
Drink water, man.
very good.
Drink water, man.
Yes, once the crow puts the stones or the pebbles inside the pot of water, what happens? The water comes up in the pot. Once the water comes up, what does the crow do? In the fourth picture, you can see that the crow is drinking water and then it will fly away, right? You all remember the story, the thirsty crow? You have learned it in your lower classes, right? Okay. Yes. So what does this picture show? What does this picture tell us? This picture tells us that not
water, ma'am. What is very
okay. The picture tells us that not only human beings, but even animals also need water to drink. This is what it tells us. Okay. Now we will next page. Can you see how the plant looks in the first picture? Is the plant very fresh?
Yeah. That is dull.
No, right? Yes, the plant is very weak. Okay, it is all, see the leaves are all drooping, right? They're all as if it is falling. So what is that? Second picture shows a girl pouring water for the plants, right? Water. What happens to the plant? What happens in the third picture? Pours water, the plant starts becoming more fresh. Okay? Yes. Once they start pouring water, you can see that the plant is becoming more fresh and it is also giving some flowers.
ஜென்மத்துக்கு புரியுது இல்லையா?
Okay, so what does this picture indicate? It shows that even plants also needs water to grow. Okay, so just like human beings, even plants and trees and animals also need water like us. Okay, see what is trees and animals need water like us. Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am. Sorry for interrupting.
Yes, tell me, ma'am.
Ma'am, the behind voices are there. No, it is very disturbing. My son couldn't understand anything. Please ask other parents to mute it, ma'am.
1 minute. I think I will do it from my end. Otherwise, they keep doing it.
Yeah, thank you very much, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Okay, now I have muted everyone. You will not be able to unmute yourself. Okay. Now, like I told you, water is needed not only for human beings, but also plants and animals. In the previous picture, we saw a crow which wanted water to drink. So what did it do? It started putting stones in the pot, right? It started putting the stones in the pot. And once it started putting the pebbles in the pot, the water level rises, the water comes up. Then what does a crow do? It drinks water and then it flies away. Okay, this picture indicates that even plants and even animals also need water to survive. Okay, and here you can see how the plant looks before the girl waters it and how the plant looks after she has been watering it. Okay, so you can see if you pour water and take care of the plants on regular basis, what happens? The plants start giving us fresh flowers. It also gives us fresh fruits and vegetables also. Okay, now in the below picture, okay, you have next 4 pictures given here. What are the things you do at home using water? Okay, since you do not have your textbook with you, you can just listen to what I'm telling. Later on, you can answer. Okay, you've already given me the answers over here. We'll just see here. Okay, the first picture shows that the boy is washing his face. Right, he is washing his face. Probably he's brushed his teeth and now he is washing his face. The second picture shows the boy is using water to take bath. Okay, and then the third picture shows a man who is washing all the vegetables. Right, before cooking you have to wash all the vegetables, right? Okay, and then the fourth picture shows a mother who is cooking using water, right? So water is not used only for washing, bathing or cleaning, but even for cooking as well. Okay, you also wash clothes using water, right? Water is used even for washing clothes. Okay, so these are the uses of water. Okay, so here you can see some more uses which is given. You can see a mother who is washing all the vessels using water. Can you see picture number 5? Okay, the picture 5 shows that water is used even for washing vessels. Then you can see picture number 6 where even the toilets are being cleaned using water. And then you have picture 7 which shows that water is used even for washing clothes, right? You have to wash clothes and wear clean clothes, right? Okay, so water is used for washing the clothes. And then in the last picture, that is the 8th picture, you see that a girl is drinking water, right? So probably that girl is very thirsty and she wants to drink water. Okay, so these are the uses of water. Okay. Yes. Now, did you all understand what are the uses of water? For what is water used for? Okay, now you will be able to unmute yourself. Now you can answer. Okay. Did you all understand what are the uses of water?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Now I will ask you a few questions. Okay, kindly mute yourself. Only the ones whom I ask will answer. Okay. Yes, thank you. Yes. Okay. Now, what do you drink when you are thirsty? When you're thirsty, what do you drink? Can Alan Josh? Okay, Sonu, tell me, Sonu. Yes, water. Very good. Okay, now next one, Alan Joshua. What do animals and birds drink when they are thirsty?
Water, ma'am.
Very good. Even animals and birds also drink water when they are thirsty. Okay. Now next one, Chatri, can you unmute? Yes. Okay, Chatri, what happens when we do not water the plants for a few days? If you do not water the plants for a few days, what will happen?
It will
It will?
grow.
Yes, it will wither or it will dry up. Okay, now next one. Can I have Kushal to answer? Okay, Kushal, you can unmute. Yes. Kushal, how many of you all have gone to the beaches? Some of you all have gone to the beach. Yes, very good. Riya has gone, Dikshita has gone, Varun. Yes, okay, very good. You have gone. Can you drink the sea water? Can you drink sea water?
No.
You cannot drink sea water, right? Why do you think? Yes, very good. Yes, very good. You cannot drink sea water because it is okay. So why can't you drink sea water? You cannot drink salty. Okay. Now you will all listen here. We cannot live without water. Okay, can we live without water? No, you cannot live without water. Okay, plants, birds, and animals also need water to live, right? Even plants and animals also need water to live. Just like us, they are also living beings. Okay. Next one, we need water for our daily use. Every day we need water for one or the other purpose. We do need water either for drinking, washing, cleaning. For everything we need water. Okay. Now in this picture, can you see what is this girl doing? Can you see what is this girl doing?
Eating.
For that,
Eating, ma'am. Brushing, ma'am.
brushing. Very good. We need water for brushing teeth and rinsing mouth. Okay, so for what do we need water? When you use water, when you brush your teeth, you also gargle your mouth and you spit, right? Okay, that is called as rinsing. Okay, so why do we need water? We need water for brushing teeth and rinsing mouth. Okay, now can you see what is the boy doing here?
Bye.
Very good. The boy is saying bath. So we need water.
Taking that, mom.
Yes. Okay, now can you see what is this girl doing? What is she doing? We need water for
Washing.
yes, we need cleaning vegetables. Every time you'll buy vegetables and come from outside, what should you do? First, you should wash it. Before using, you have to wash it and then use. Okay, so we need water for cleaning vegetables. Now, next one, can you see what is the mother doing here?
Cooking.
Okay, so for what do we need water? We need water for cooking food. Next, we can see what is this girl doing?
Cooking.
What is this girl doing in picture E?
Washing clothes. Washing clothes.
Very good, very good. We need water for washing. Yes, okay, so we need water for washing clothes. Next one, can you see what is this boy doing? Drinking. Very good. We need water for
Drinking, ma'am.
well.
Drinking, ma'am.
Yes. So here you see the uses of water. What is the water used for? For brushing teeth and for rinsing mouth. Then water was used for taking bath, then cleaning vegetables, cooking, washing clothes, and also for drinking. These are the few uses of water. Let's see for what else water is used. Okay, can you see what is this man doing here? What is he doing? He is watering the plants, right? So what is it?
Ma'am, watering plants, watering plants, ma'am.
Yes, so he is watering plants. Okay, he's watering these for growing vegetables.
Ma'am, plants water.
Yes. Okay, so here he is growing to get fresh vegetables. Here, what is this man doing? What is this
Boating.
Yes. You all know that in transport, you also have water transport, right? For water transport, how does the ship go? It does not go on land, right? It goes on water. So here,
Ma'am, watering the boat.
yes. So here you will say water is used for sailing. Okay. Now next one here, what is he doing?
Washing the couch.
Washing the clothing.
Yes. Washing the car. Okay. Very good. Yes.
Washing the ma'am. Washing the clothing.
Yes.
Ma'am.
Water for giving bath to the
animals.
Okay, now next, see what is this lady and this man doing? What is
Ma'am,
yes?
you are writing. Naughty.
That is because
Hearing, ma'am.
unmuted. No. If you unmute yourself, then you will not be able to hear me.
Vegetables, ma'am.
Yes. What is this man and this lady doing? They are mixing cement. Okay, for building, for construction, what are they doing? They are mixing cement. Okay. Next one, what is this man doing?
Washing God.
Very good. Washing the water is using water. Okay, now next one,
What is that one, ma'am?
this is farming. Okay, water is used for growing vegetables. Okay, the farmer is using water for growing vegetables. Okay, so here you see there this man, he's pouring water right?
Water.
Here you can see water is being used for sailing. Here he's using water for cleaning the cow. Here water is used for mixing the cement. Water is used for cleaning the truck. And here water is used for growing vegetables. Okay? Did you understand the uses of water, children? For what water is used? Yes, very good. Yes, very good, Andrew also. Okay, so here in today's class, okay, in today's class, I will be sending you the picture of both these pages, okay? Both the pages I will send you and you will study them, okay? Only study, do not write anything, okay? For your EVS homework, you're only going to learn these two, okay? You're not going to write anything. Is that clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, do you have any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, very good, okay?